Powering your adventures just got a whole lot easier. Meet EcoFlow's brand new Trail Series DC portable power stations. The Trail 200 DC and the Trail 300 DC, ultra compact, rugged, and ready to go wherever life takes you. The Trail 200 DC may be the smaller sibling, but it punches well above its weight. At just 4 pounds, it slips easily into a backpack, yet delivers an impressive 220 watts of DC power. With 2 USB-C ports, one up to 140 watts, plus 2 USB-A outputs, it can charge your smartphone 11 times or top up your drone 8 times before running dry. And when it's time to recharge, the 140-watt USB-C input gets you back in action fast. But what if you need more power? That's where the Trail 300 DC steps in. With a 300-watt output and 5 versatile ports, including dual 140-watt USB-C and a 120-watt 12-volt car port, this powerhouse can keep bigger gear running, from Wi-Fi routers for 9 hours to recharging a portable projector 6 times. It even supports 3 ways to recharge: USB-C, solar, or your car, so you'll never be without options. Both models are built to handle real-world adventures, drop-proof, fire-resistant, and equipped with a built-in handle for easy carry. An integrated display keeps you updated on power levels, and an optional waterproof case adds extra protection for the wildest trips. EcoFlow says the Trail Series can power 90% of your everyday gear, from cameras and lights to speakers and tablets, making it the ultimate sidekick for camping weekends, fishing trips, or even emergency backup at home. The Trail 200 DC launches at an introductory price of $139. The more powerful Trail 300 DC, just $189. Both hit the US on August 1st, and if they'll travel to Europe next, well, we'll be watching. Small, tough, powerful. The EcoFlow Trail Series is ready for the journey. Are you?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.